Alright, no everyone. Today we're going to be talking about the properties of water. Water's unique properties, the ones that make life possible, are all traced back to one thing: its molecular shape and the hydrogen bonds that it forms. So a water molecule consists of one oxygen atom, covalently bonded to two hydrogen atoms. Arranged in a bent shape, it has a bond angle of approximately 104.5 degrees. Oxygen is more electronegative than hydrogen. So oxygen pulls those shared electrons closer to itself. So this creates a partial negative charge on the oxygen atom and a partial positive charge on each hydrogen atom. So a partial negative on the oxygen and a partial positive on the hydrogen atoms. That makes water a polar molecule. Because water is polar, the partially positive hydrogen of one molecule is attracted to the partially negative oxygen of a neighboring molecule. This attraction is a hydrogen bond. So we will have another water molecule over here attracted to the partially positive side of the hydrogen is attracted to the partially negative side of the oxygen. So each molecule can form up to 4 hydrogen bonds with surrounding molecules. Now, while individually weak, the large number of hydrogen bonds collectively gives water many of its distinctive properties. One of those properties is cohesion. So hydrogen bonds cause water molecules to attract one another. That allows water to be drawn upward through narrow vessels, such as the xylem in plants. There's also another thing called high specific heat capacity. So a large amount of energy is required to break those hydrogen bonds before the water temperature can rise. This allows organisms and bodies of water to resist rapid temperature fluctuations. There's also high latent heat of vaporization. So that means that there is a substantial amount of energy that is needed to break hydrogen bonds during evaporation. This makes evaporative cooling, such as sweating, highly effective at removing heat. And water is also a universal solvent. So the polarity of water allows it to surround and dissolve other polar and ionic substances, forming hydrogen bonds or ion dipole interactions with them. So to summarize, water's bent molecular shape and uneven distribution of charge make it a polar molecule, allowing it to form hydrogen bonds with neighboring water molecules. These hydrogen bonds are responsible for water's cohesion, high specific heat capacity, high latent heat of vaporization, and its ability to act as a solvent, all properties that are essential to biological systems.